How to delete Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete your Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting Netflix profile is fairly simple because whenever you open Netflix, it will ask you to log into one of your profiles where, let's say, there are some unnecessary profiles, right? And if you'd like to delete them, all you have to do is do not select any profile from here. If you look at the top right, you'll find a little gear icon, the editing icon. So you can tap that editing icon here, and when you tap on editing icon, you can select a certain profile that you would like to delete from here. And then from there, if you look at the bottom carefully, you'll find the option that says delete profile. So when you tap delete profile option, it'll ask you for a confirmation. You can just tap on delete profile to delete that certain profile. This way you'll be able to delete profile on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.